Hey guys, I'm Nick. I'm one of the spare parts guys at Harley-Heaven Dandenong. Let's have a walk through. I got into Harleys at a relatively young age. Growing up when I was in primary school, we only had one family car. Dad always had a sports bike, and so I always saw my dad riding a bike. About 2019, I was with my parents in the US. We saw the museum in Milwaukee, had a look there, and I just started to like Harleys a lot more from that day on. We came back, my old man decided to buy a breakout from Ringwood, and that's where the story begins for me. August 2019 was when I was coming back from Hillsville Sanctuary. My dad sent me the link. There was a spare parts opportunity here at Dandenong. Decided to shoot off an email, and that's where my career here started. So what I like about being here at Dandenong and starting off as an apprentice was I got to learn a lot about Harleys. I got to be a part of a premium dealership. We were #1 a couple of years running, and I got to learn so much about an environment that I didn't really know much about whatsoever. Okay, so the reason I want to stay working with Harley-Davidson was something I got into to be a little bit closer with my dad, and which has also now brought my mum into it, and now it's something for the years to come that I can embrace and follow along with the both of them. So the final question, funny enough, was why I want to keep working at Harley-Heaven Dandenong. Well, when you look at the leaderboard and you see we've been top dealership across Australia and New Zealand 4 out of 5 years running, it's not a hard question to answer. 4 out of 5.